Okay, today I got a new air raid siren. Got it for Christmas today for a little Christmas present. And I'm about to get a little test. It's 12 volts and it runs on a 12-volt battery right here. It's got a little switch. Let's see, where is the switch? Oh, here it is. It's got a little toggle switch right here. Oh crap, one of the wires came loose. I'll put that back on there. And all of them, every single one, to go in. Now let me pause the video. Okay, there we go. So, I guess it's time to give it its test, its full run. It's got a cool wind down. I like that. I'll do it again. Okay, well that's cool. I like it. It's very nice. I'm gonna give it a little growl test. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have a little part to an old one that I had that kind of got dismantled. Yeah. So that's it. I like it. It's cool.